Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature 8 must-see long to short hair transformations. Here we see this gorgeous angled bob, and then the next one features someone going from mid-length hair to this beautiful pixie cut. And if you do feel inspired by any of the hair transformations within today's video, don't forget to give it a like and of course hit that subscribe button so that you never miss a hair trend. So for the next one, we see someone going from pretty long mid-back length hair, and the stylist is cutting that hair into this gorgeous lob haircut. Next up, we see someone with beautiful ginger colored hair, and the stylist is cutting this down into a bob. Next up, we see someone with pretty long hair once again getting their hair transformed into a bob haircut. So leave us in the comments below which hair transformation so far has been your favorite. Next up, we see someone with shoulder length hair get their hair transformed into this beautiful pixie cut. Moving on, we see someone with orange hair and it looks like she has decided to switch it up to a bob. And then we see a beautiful blunt bob hair transformation. Looks like she decided to go even shorter with this pixie haircut. Very unexpected. So if you want to see more hair inspiration, don't forget to check out this video.